Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another very important topic related to Angular pipe, where we will learn how to create custom pipes. I'm sure you might have heard about this term while you are working with the Angular project team, that they create their own pipe in order to do a certain task, right? So how we can create our own pipe, what are the need of it, and what are the benefits of using it. So these all things we are going to discuss in this particular session. But before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic and to use the application. Okay. Alright, so let's get started. Firstly, I will go to app.component.html file. Here you can see we have noted down one heading, that is Angular 19 course by Sharmit. After that we will put heading 2, and in this heading 2 I will write the heading that is custom pipe in Angular. Okay, now let's start with the definition itself. So we know that Angular provides some predefined built-in function, or not built-in function, predefined pipes in Angular, right? Now we already discussed those pipes, like how to use those pipes to perform a certain task, right? But if you want to, like we discuss how to use number pipe, decimal pipe, sync pipe, right? All these things. But what if we want to perform a particular operation, and for that operation if we want to create our own pipe? So to create that own pipe, you have to write some certain commands, some certain logic, and then it will allow you to perform the operation with the help of your own pipe. And this entire this procedure is called as creation of custom pipe. Custom means with the pipe that you can customize as per your requirement. Okay, in predefined pipe there are limitations that you have to use only those functionalities that are already given there, right? But in case of custom pipe, you can easily customize your pipe as per your requirement, right? So that is the difference. Sometime in interviews you might be asked by this question, like what is the difference between the custom pipe and a regular pipe or a predefined pipe. So regular or predefined pipe are the normal thing, right? Alright, so I think agenda is clear, definition is clear, that what we are going to learn. We are going to learn about the custom pipe. We will see the commands that we can use to create the custom pipe. Okay, alright, so now let's start with the session. Here what we will do, firstly let me show you all three commands that we will be running here, or maybe yeah, we can do that. So firstly I will write here one p tag. In this p tag, the first command that we are going to learn today is command 1, and this is ng generate pipe, or maybe let me show you practical things first, and then we will write these commands so that you can keep a note of it. Okay, so let's say if I want to create a pipe with name pipe 1 in my system. So as of now you can see only these values are there, right? Only these files are there. Now we will run the command and it will add 2 more files for our custom pipe. So for that you can write here ng generate pipe and then the name of the pipe. So in this case, let's say I want to create the pipe with name pipe 1. So ng generate pipe 1 and press enter. So once you press enter, it will create 2 files for you. First one is pipe1.pipe.spec.ts, second one is pipe1.pipe.ts. Okay, so let me show you. These are the 2 files. So if you click on this, let me close it from here. The first is pipe1.pipe.spec.ts. so this file is mainly used for the testing purpose, and I'm sure honestly, like, we are not going to touch this file as of now, because if you remember in component.ts.spec file, this files also we never used, right? Because this is something related to the testing phase, and that we will be discussing maybe in the later go, but for now we are not going to touch this file. Okay, so this is the pipe1.pipe.spec.ts. we are not going to touch it. Second file is pipe1.pipe.ts, and this is the main file. This is the important file. This is the area where we are going to write the entire logic for our custom pipe. Okay, so let's say if you want to create a pipe for converting a currency, if you want to create a pipe for converting a temperature or anything like that, so here you have to write the logic for your file. Okay, so you can see this is the name of the pipe that we will be using maybe in the later go for attaching this pipe with HTML file, right? And this is the function that will perform some logic and return some values from here. Okay, so but for now we are just discussing about the creation process, like how to create this. So we discuss one command, that is ng generate pipe1. Okay, now we all know that we are developers and we prefer to write less and do more, right? And nowadays we are in low code scenario. So for that there is a shortcut also that you can use, shortcut command, to create the same pipe. So let me show you. Ng, here ng is representing Angular, g is representing generate, p is representing pipe, and then you can give the name of the pipe. So let's say this time I want to create the pipe with name pipe2. So you can write it here and then simply press enter. Same command, just we write it in a alias way or in a shortcut way. Okay, so you can see here we have created two files. First one is pipe.spec.ts and the second one is pipe.ts, pipe2.pipe.ts. okay, so we have got these two files. One is pipe1.pipe. so this one we created with a longer command, that is ng generate pipe1, and then we created with the shortcut command the second one, which is nggp pipe2. so this is the entire process that we can use. So it is up to you, like which one you want to use for creating the pipe. I'm sure like most of the developer are going to create with the shortcut command, because no one wants to write the lengthy thing until or unless it is mandatory. Okay, so this is the one thing. Now the second thing is there is one more way to create the pipe in a better way, because we all know that in project there are multiple files and multiple things. So managing all these things in a same folder is not good thing, right? Because it would become a hectic thing for you to manage all those things. So to fix that issue, what we can do, we can create the pipes in a particular folder. So whenever you want to check your pipes, you can go into that particular folder instead of checking all these files one by one, because right now you can see everything is placed in the same location. Here we have component.html, ts, then multiple pipe, and let's say if there are 50 pipes that you are going to create. So in that scenario, this is not the good practice. Okay, so what is the best way? You can create the pipe but inside a folder. Let me show you how. So ng, g for generate, p for pipe, and then here I will give the name of my pipe folder as my pipes. Okay, then slash and then the pipe name, that is pipe. Let's say I want to create pipe 3. Okay, or pipe A, let's say pipe A. And when I hit enter here, what it will do, it will simply create pipe but inside a folder. You can see a new folder is added here, that is my pipes. Okay, and inside this my pipes we have two files, that is spec.ts and pipe.ts. okay, so this is how we can create the pipes inside a particular folder. Now the next thing is, suppose you want to add one more pipe to this folder, then how you will do it? So you can simply, let me show you, you can simply write the same command, nggp my pipes slash pipe b, and enter. So it will create the command, and now you can see in the same folder, in the my pipes folder, we have two pipe A and pipe B. So this is the better way, right? Because you have to manage everything in a project, so it will not make the things complex for you. There is a separate folder for the pipe, so whenever you want to use it, you can just simply check this and it will create the pipe. Okay, alright, so I think now we are good with this. So let me write all these commands again for you, so that if you want to practice or if you want to refer this code from the GitHub, so you can simply use it. Okay, so command 1, let me write here command 1, and here this is the command. Okay, and let me put br here for the next command. Command 2, second command is nggp and pipe name. Here also I can write pipe name so that you can replace it with your pipe name. Okay, and then we can write br, and for the third one we can write command 3 : nggp folder name, slash new pipe name. Perfect. So this is the all command. Let me show you it on the browser. ng serve -- open. So if you want to take a screenshot from the browser, that is also fine. Otherwise you can pick this code from my GitHub. So you can see here, we can see the all commands. Clear? nggp folder name. Yeah, we are good with this. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.